everybody! Today I'm going to share a home remedy to help when you have cough and flu. In the morning before breakfast, take 2 drops of oregano oil. If you want take directly, it's okay also. One, two. Then prepare a cup of oregano tea. How to do it? It's too easy to prepare. Boil a cup of water and a tablespoon of dry oregano. Let's boil. Okay, now oregano tea is ready. I'm going to strain. And add a tablespoon of honey. Mix it. And you can drink. Be careful because it's a little hot. Okay. Oh, it's a little hot. Okay. After 10 minutes, you prepare aloe vera smoothie. How to do it? It's too easy to prepare. I'm going to liquefy a piece of aloe vera with a little water and a tablespoon of honey. Before to liquefy aloe vera, I'm going to show you how to detoxify aloe vera. Cut a little piece aloe vera and put in water for an hour. The color changes like yellow color. The water changes the color. Now it's ready. I can use because it's clear. Just 1 hour, no more. I'm going to cut aloe vera. Be careful because I don't want to cut my finger. Okay, just a piece. Now I'm going to liquefy. Okay. Put just a little water, like this. And add a tablespoon of honey. A tablespoon of honey. And now it's time to liquefy. Just a little. It's ready. Just a little. Okay. And you can drink directly because I add this. And drinking. Guys, when you detoxify aloe vera, the taste is good because the all yellow color is in water and it's ready and the taste is very good. home remedy. You need to drink for 7 days. And believe me, after 4 days, cough and flu, pain, or everything you feel in your body, gonna. This home remedy is good. The oregano tea, I still a little hot after I drink. Okay guys, see you the next video.